What if I told you AI could read your customers' minds before they even click? Okay, not literally, but let's just say your next best customer may already be waving at you, in data. Here's the thing. The average business collects thousands of customer signals every single day, emails, chats, reviews, even those awkward survey responses nobody wants to fill out. But here's the twist. Most of that gold gets buried, untouched. Enter AI. Think of it as the world's fastest detective, piecing together tiny clues to reveal the big picture about your customers. Forget crystal balls or gut instincts. With AI, you get data-driven insights that don't just tell you what happened, but what's about to happen. Let's break it down. First, sentiment analysis. AI can sift through mountains of feedback, tweets, and reviews, finding out who's thrilled, who's frustrated, and who's silently plotting their escape to your competitor. It's like having a superpower. 74% of users love our new interface, but 12% hate the color blue. Sorry, blue. Second, personalization. Ever get those special offers that feel not so special? AI can spot patterns in what customers buy, click, or even ignore. It helps you send offers that actually matter. Not just, hey, buy more socks when you just bought a dozen. Unless, of course, you really love socks. Third, predictive analytics. This is where things get wild. AI can anticipate what your customers want before they even know it. Think Netflix knowing you'll binge a new show before you've heard the theme song, or a coffee shop sending you a coupon just as your caffeine levels hit critical. Coincidence? Nope. Just smart AI at work. Here's a real-world example. A major airline used AI to analyze millions of customer touchpoints. Calls, emails, social media, you name it. They pinpointed tiny pain points like confusing seat maps and slow mobile check-ins. Fixing just those boosted customer satisfaction by 20%, all from data they already had. But here's the secret sauce. None of this tech replaces old-fashioned human empathy. AI doesn't give you the why behind every frown or smile, but it does hand you a map, so you know where to dig deeper. So what's the takeaway? AI isn't about replacing your intuition. It's about turbocharging it. The businesses that win aren't the ones with the most data, but the ones who use it to truly understand what their customers care about. Still think your customers are a mystery? Maybe they just need a little AI to come into focus. Now go on, get curious.